yautli kisuki na pedengki nrup hautli. Presiden kaseng BJP jong ka jela Meghalaya uba Ernest Mauri. Ula keno baya ka skim fokus la penonkan bakla da kaseng NPP. Ula ong baki kertong jong kaseng NPP hakikatu kat niki constituency kum ka West Shillong kila lech yaki patba bat kila panru yaki bank account jong ki kenang ban pentap pisa 1,000 hadu 1,000 tengka hapo jong ketika skim. Ula ong bawat la ketika skim kadai na kebenta ki nong rep bat kiwe pat ki kinhun ha ki jakan nong kendong. Ya kini ke skim la penonkan bakla penbanda kaseng NPP na kebenta ki kertong kaseng jongka hapo ki constituency ha ki jakasor. Kani kaseng ka bedang sengu kemenru na kebenta ka jingjab keput jong kaseng BJP hapo ke jela Gujarat. Kalau ong ru ba kaseng kala le bha wat hajela Himachal Pradesh. Wat la kamshim lala ban bun batam. Hakaju kapor wat dukhat jong ka kinhun menteri ubadairu artadu MLA kaseng BJP uba Sanbor Shulai. Ula kena persya ya kaseng NPP bat ya ki weipat kiseng senrop ba kila pinbiet ya ki patba da ka bakni jubor ya ki skim sarkar pedeng jong kaseng BJP na kebenta ban yo mentoi ladi hakikam election.
So they have to prove, no? It's not easy. You just keep the statement in the press, then you say that. Then let them keep the clarification that from where that money come. As far as the knowledge, we came to know that it is a loan they have taken from some foreign investment. Let them come clear with that.
All these activities fooling the people in a state during the election will have to go and enlighten the people that this is not their scheme. This is the scheme provided by the BJP government. That is also through the support of us.